In this video, we will look at how to import and work with Photoshop file in Unreal Engine. So, I have custom folder images in Unreal, some image in Photoshop, and we want to import the image into Unreal. The image can have some effects or masks that we could want to adjust later. To save it, go to File, Save or Save As, and localize folder of your Unreal project. If you use the default localization, it should be in Documents, Unreal Projects, then your project name folder and content. Name your file how you want it to be named in Unreal and save. Now Unreal detected a change in its files, so the dialog window pops up. Unreal Engine works with view asset files, so by checking Don't Ask Again and selecting Import, it automatically re-imports the image when you change it. So the image is imported, and now if we change it and save it, it will automatically update the UAsset file. If you want to easily edit it later, by right-clicking on it and selecting Open in External Editor, it will open it in Photoshop and you can work with it again. Last thing, because we work with UAsset, if you delete it in Unreal, the PSD file stays in the folder.